You don't want to be a shoulda, coulda, woulda person. You don't want to look back at your 43-year-old self and say, damn, why didn't I do something when I was 32? I'm not addicted to money. I don't wake up chasing money. I wake up chasing greatness. Being great mentally, physically, financially. I'm looking for greatness, bro. You see, that's the problem with people. People are operating in mediocrity. You're not going to never attract what you want in your life if you are mediocre yourself. But we live so mediocre because we think instant gratification, because we look on the internet, we look at the TikTokers, the YouTubes, we look at people's lifestyles, and we comparing ourselves, and then we taking out the joy of what we're doing, and we dim a light on our own progress and our process, because we look at this person, that person, this person, that person, we're like, yo, I ain't doing something right. I'm not where I need to be. I'm behind. No, you're operating in God's time. So we let these things that happen around us distract us from what's more important. Optimizing our full potential every single day. Every single day.